Hello. So today I will show you, this is a whiteboard that can be used in digital education, and this board has two modes now. So one is erase and another is sketch. So when you are in sketch mode, you can just scribble on your board whatever you want, and with some color, maybe this is the blue one, and your writing pen width that can be chosen from this list, that 1 to 10. So let me just choose it 3 and the color is blue. Now sketch it something, maybe I want to write something. Okay, so let me write white white and then I will write board, maybe with some different color, maybe with red. Okay, so this is red, and maybe with more width, maybe 5. So now this width is more. Board. So this is how you can just write on your whiteboard. Now I want to show you how to erase them. So just erase, choose erase, and then just drag your mouse on your writings so that it can be erased. Okay, that's all, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.